Right then, undoubtedly, probably the most striking version of the Defender 110 we've sold all year, and a first for us in this colour for the 110. This is Woolstone green, and it's a D250 3-litre diesel Defender 110 with incredible bespoke exterior styling. This is a new but registered vehicle with 500 miles. We call it delivery miles. It is in a new order as you would want it to be. And it's the all new colour for the car, 26 model year car as well. That gives it new lights front and rear. It gives it the big screen inside. Well, this is a real presence of a vehicle, this. We'll talk about the colour first, Woolstone green. This is the new release for the car. It's such it's uber cool and impossible to buy from the dealer. Not only in this colour, but when you've got this bespoke style like this car has, urban lettering, lower canards, wide track arch kit, the LED fog lights, light bar, 22-inch wheels, wing inserts, bonnet inserts, steps, mud flaps, spare wheel cover. It's also got a factory detachable tow bar. This is a proper Defender. It'll get snapped up straight away, so if you're watching this video and you're lucky enough to be able to buy it, please give me a call. It's Richard, my number's going to be on the screen. Get it secured. What a unbelievable vehicle. From front to back, it's got that presence, that aggressive road presence you want from the Defender. And the colour is absolutely awesome. Rear spoiler, urban spare wheel cover. Look at the lettering on this wheel cover. It is matched in body colour. Then we've got urban badging. We've got these new LED lights which look great. Flat lens LED lights, urban mud flaps front and rear. The wide arch kit, detachable tow bar, big boot space, heavy duty floor, heavy duty seat backs. It is phenomenal, this car. In a new order, it is absolutely stunning. I love it. I absolutely love this car. I would buy it for myself if I could. We'll go down to the wheels. You'll see we've got 22-inch wheels. Look at the design on these. They are special, aren't they? They really are. And then as we come back round, there's some things you might have missed. We've got the urban lettering to the front. We've got the urban badging here. We've got this really aggressive, so you've got a different front mouthpiece in this car, all black, lower canards. These new design to the LED lights as well. Then these inserts into the bonnet, which just beef it up, and the wings. Roof rails in black, obviously arches, light pod in black, mirrors in black, steps to help you get in and out of the car. And then this is a facelifted vehicle, 26 model year. We've got black door cards, we've got Meridian sound, we've got ambient lighting, but look at the size of the touchscreen in it. It is ginormous. Then you get things like wireless phone charging, heated seats to the front, cruise control, adaptive cruise control even. And then in the back, space for the rear, leather seats, and it is in a new condition on a 75, balance of warranty and Land Rover Assist, all remaining for 3 years. Step's going to help me get in the car. And then once I'm in, we have the new attention system that Land Rover have put in these cars behind the steering wheel, full switchable cockpit, 516 delivery miles on this car, adaptive cruise with lane assist and speed limiter. Lovely, love a new car. Then the big screen, I mean, that is coming out the Range Rover and Range Rover Sport, now put in the Defender, 13.1-inch touchscreen. It makes it a lot easier to use, but it's still really special with the Pivi Pro system. Reverse camera, top view camera, 360 3D camera. We've got the Land Rover tow bar, which is really important to some people, especially in a Defender like this. So you get the towing camera, digital climate control, heated front seat, heated front and rear screens, 2 keys, cup holders here, and then the new model, you get this little new center console, wireless phone charging under the armrest. It is a top car. You will need to be very quick with this in this colour. And then we've got the styling to boot as well. It is really lovely. And for me, I don't know, I looked at the price on the website. With what you're getting as a package for this car, with this styling and the colour and everything, it didn't look that expensive. It's a great car. 3-litre diesel on the website now. My name is on the screen. It's Richard. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.